This question asks us to find the first derivative evaluated at -4 and at -1 of this function. Now, looking at this, we don't have the definition of the function, so we don't have like f of x equals 2x minus 5 or anything like that, so we don't have that to rely on. Looking at this function, it's linear, but if you'll notice right about here, the line changes slope. So this line right here is slightly less sloped than it is for this part right here. Okay, so there is kind of this like separation, so let's keep that in mind. Now the points in question are the points -4, so here's x equals -4, and the other point is -1. So here's -1. And they're actually on opposite sides of that break, okay? Now, the derivative of a function gives the slope of a function at any point x. And when you have linear functions, so if you have f of x equals mx plus b, its derivative is just m, the slope of the line. So here's the thing. The function here, the question, it isn't really asking us to find a derivative and evaluate it. It's asking us to find the slope of these lines. So starting with -4. So this is a point that's on the line. If I just find another point that's definitely on that line, like right there, I can find the slope between these 2 points. Like for instance, to get from this point to this point, I would go up 1 and over 2. So f prime of -4, its slope is going to be a rise of 1, a rise of 1 and a run of 2. So the derivative is going to be 1/2 there. The slope of the line is the derivative of the line. The other point right here, it's not on an integer value, it looks like, but the slope is the same for the entire line. So I'm just going to use this point and this point to measure the slope, because the slope's going to be the same no matter where I choose to use here. So if I go up 2 and over 3, then that tells me the slope of the line at -1 is going to be a rise of 2 and a run of 3.